Namaste. Gita was given by Lord Krishna in the Sandhikal between Dwapar Yuga and Kali Yuga. Is this wisdom given to the people of Dwapar Yuga or Kali Yuga? Anyone with basic common sense can tell the answer that it is given to the people of Kali Yuga. Since the people of Kali Yuga cannot understand the Vedic content, he gave an extremely simplified Vedasar in the form of Bhagavad Gita that can be understood by all people with reasonable intellect and abhyasa. So, when we understand that Lord Krishna gave this wisdom to the people of Kali Yuga, the ground reality and survey reports show the other way around. The statistics say that Hindus outside India are about 7.5 million as per 2010 official statistics and could be under 9 million now. Of this 9 million, it is estimated that people of non-Indian origin constitute a mere 10%. That means people of non-Indian origin who endorse Bhagavad Gita wisdom are less than 9 lakhs all over the world. So, please understand the bitter fact that just under 9 lakh foreigners know the Gita Sar or Karma Siddhant, whatever we call it. The people who followed Sanatana Dharma in some form or the other were almost 100% before 4,000 years. Now, it is astonishing to see that this came down to 0.1% in 185 countries, leaving India and its surrounding 9 Asian countries. It is just 0.1%. The studies further show that these percentages are going to drop not only outside India but also in India by 2050. Now the question here is that despite tens of organizations working for 4 to 5 decades all over the world, spending tens of thousands of crores, why did we have so less number of subscribers endorsing the principles of karma and dharma is what we have to honestly introspect and take adequate countermeasures. So, keeping in view of the current approaches and their results and the mindset of the current generation, Bhagavad Gita Foundation for Vedic Studies, a Section 8 non-profit organization registered with the Ministry of Company Affairs, Government of India, is on a divine mission. The mission is to take the Bhagavad Gita to over 50% of the world's population by 2050 by constructing GITA University. This university will create 10,000 international Gita Gurus, establish one Gita Bhavan for every 1 million population across 195 countries, and will take Karma Yoga to 5 billion people by 2050. For this, we look forward to 10 lakh people who can donate as little as 500 rupees every month for 24 months. If you want to see full details of our project, do visit our website displayed on the screen. Pause the video and print screen the QR code displayed on the screen and scan the same to start your monthly contribution, or visit our websites displayed on the screen. Do not think that someone else will donate, which will finally lead to no one donating. May the principles of karma and dharma prevail all over the world. Om Tat Sat. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi.